Nature, it's everywhere. But just how much do we know about it? And how do we survive within it? These are the questions we seek to answer in today's video. But first, I needed to ask the expert some advice. I asked the expert for advice. This is what happened. Mrs. Mom, do you have any advice on surviving in nature?
Say your prayers, pack bug spray, and never put chocolate in your pocket.
Okay, good to know. I'll keep that in mind if I find any out there. So, follow me.
Yes, Michael.
Closer. Closer. Okay, this is our first sight. This is what you need to be aware of first. These are weeds. Ignore that. That doesn't come in until later.
Okay, got it.
Avoid touching these.
What about the grass you're standing on?
Try not to touch that either.
Okay.
Part of it might be poison ivy or something else that's scary.
Oh my.
When I was in preschool, they told all of us children 3 leaves, let it be, to avoid poison ivy. But I didn't catch the 3 part. So, leaves, let it be. That started my fear of foliage. These are trees.
Those look like branches.
Darn!
But the branches are connected to trees.
Follow! Trees. These are your source of shelter.
In nature?
Yes.
The tree is going to shelter us?
Yes. From rain, thunder, pelicans. All of these can be protected. They can protect you from trees.
From pelicans?
Yes.
Even from pelicans?
Yes.
Interesting.
They hate trees. Okay. Follow.
I don't know what's coming up next.
This is a mannequin, not a hammock.
You sure it's not a mannequin? Is there a mannequin in there?
I don't know anymore.
Okay.
But it's important for you to take that on a Google search.
Will do.
Okay. But you might find these in nature, both mannequins and hammocks. Be aware of them.
Are you sure?
You can sleep on one, you can't sleep on the other.
Are you sure you find mannequins in nature?
Okay. Follow.
Oh, we're following him to a brushy pile. This makes me a little nervous.
Foliage. Nature's candles. You can set these on fire so that you can see at night.
Oh, that's cool. Are there any snakes in the grass?
This may take some time.
Okay, or we could just say none to be found at the moment.
I know there's somewhere.
Should we set this all on fire?
All of it, yes. Smokey the Bear was my bully in high school. Well, I'm still in high school. This is my way of getting back at him.
I see. That makes sense.
Okay.
We could hardly see you. You're camouflaged by the tree branches. Where are we going now? He's running across the yard very quickly. I'm not sure what he has to show us. Yes, Michael?
These are trees, but unlike those, you can't take shelter from rain and thunder in them, but they will protect you from pelicans.
If you're a teeny tiny bug, you might.
All creatures can.
I feel like we need to weed around these little trees.
That's okay. The pelicans don't mind. Oh, I'm sorry. What else?
More trees.
Good. What else should we alert the viewers to?
I'm not sure.
I know.
What do we have?
These are pine cones. They're nature's avocados. That whenever you need sustenance in the wild, you can eat them.
Can you really?
Yes.
Whew. Does it make your throat scratchy?
Delicious.
I like it.
They might have weird sap on them.
From these sappy pine trees.
Yes.
Big, tall, sappy pine trees, which have dropped all these pine needles down here. Yet, all kinds of things are growing through the pine needles.
But don't touch them, or you might die.
Michael, would you like to get in the hammock?
No.
Are you afraid of the hammock?
No comment.
No comment. I think he's afraid of the hammock.
What's that?
Nothing.
Okay.
I think this might conclude session 1.
These are shrubs. I don't think any further explanation is needed.
I don't think so either.
This concludes our nature documentary. Thank you for watching.
Oh, thank you, Michael.
Anytime.
Until next time, adios.
Goodbye.